CPU 233 PA 14.9. This is another C program-based assembly instruction problem. This is essentially identical to PA 14.8. However, instead this time the for loop of this C program increments by 2 instead of just 1. As you can see, it's I plus equals 2 instead of I plus plus. So to translate that over to the assembly instruction, you would essentially just, in this adding process here of the loop, you would just add 2 instead of just adding 1 to R0, which is my designated increment counter register. Here we can assemble, initialize first incrementing register, compare to see if it's equal to the value 48, or in this case hex 30, which is predefined up here. Since it's not equal to, since BREQ branches if the compared values produce a 0 flag. In this case, they do not. So it'll keep going through this loop, add the two registers, A and B, which are respective to register 10 and 13, and place them in A, and then increment the value by 2. As you can see, the incremented values, register 0, it's in 2. I'll just quickly run through this. As you can see, the incrementing values increasing by 2. I'm not going to go all the way to 48 or hex 30, but you can just see that it's increasing by 2 each time. Right now it's 14. And yeah, you could predefine values for A and B as well. This is not a complete program per se, but you could definitely use this as a for loop, standard for loop.